Presenting Xiaomi 13 Pro. This ceramic white phone is also available in ceramic black color variant. Built with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The 6.73-inch 2K A6 AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 1900 nits provides the best viewing experience. The 10-bit LTPO 3.0 display is Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus compliant. It is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Now let us look at the 50-megapixel Leica professional optics that helps in capturing images in great detail. The Sony IMX989 1-inch sensor with 3.2 micrometers large pixels captures brighter images even in extreme low light. The 50-megapixel telephoto macro and 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens enables you to capture in different perspectives. Xiaomi 13 Pro can support 8K video recording and also can record in Dolby Vision for a professional cinematography experience. The high-resolution 32-megapixel front camera comes with smart FOV switching. The flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 4nm processor is designed to provide groundbreaking performance. The super big 3400 square millimeters vapor chamber helps in keeping the phone temperatures in check even at peak performance. The 120W in-box hypercharger can fully charge the massive 4820 mAh battery in 19 minutes. The phone also supports up to 50 watt of wireless turbocharging and wireless reverse charging.